basically today you're just following me around. You're just gonna see what I'm gonna do on a typical day. I mean, this is the day before we're gonna have a big storm tomorrow. It's gonna be an ice storm. So I'm gonna try to get a bunch of stuff done today, laundromat stuff. We got a rock to move at my father-in-law's house. I got that rock I just moved. I wanna get all this done before the weather gets here, because when it gets icy, I don't wanna be driving around in ice. I mean, it just doesn't make sense. So you gotta be prepared for bad weather and work ahead. So here we go.
Hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching.
Meet your approval?
Huh?
Meet your approval?
Nice. That's real nice.
Yeah, it'll harden up and then I'll come back and dress it up in the spring.
Right.
Because I went to dump it, I about lost my dump truck right there. I went to back up and I'm like, oh, it's only probably thin like a little bit, and it started to go in. That water was literally making that like a pond,
Yeah.
like mush.
Oh, dude, when it rained real hard, I mean, it would come out here. My kids always like, oh, lake. I'm like, oh my
I watched it yesterday when I was dumping. Water was melting from up the block and it was just running down.
migrating
And just went
right
right
down
here
here.
and it didn't go any farther.
Nope. Oh,
So,
my God.
yep.
It looks nice. I was watching, I was like, oh, I bet that's fun playing
Yeah.
with that backhoe.
Yeah,
Thank you.
should be able to drive over it and not get stuck.
Right.
I'm gonna bring a rake with me. I can't move it. Yeah, I can set off. See how much we can get in. It's hard to straight down. It straight down, it's solid. So I'm gonna have to wait till. Yeah.
Like, man, he's pretty damn good with that. You know, supposed to help. I'm like, damn.
I was hoping you weren't home. I was gonna text you and be like, hey, I got the driveway fixed, but the mailman can't deliver mail now. This chunk's frozen. The rock's frozen where I got it from. Alright.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, I'll see you later. Alrighty.
Take it easy. Happy New Year.
You two have a good one.
That is one of my rental properties I still have. It's a 3-bedroom split foyer ranch that I paid probably in the 19 range. That's what it looks like. I mean, I know it's not a great picture. The neat thing about this house is what's behind it. I'm going to show you what's behind this house, because this is what you're going to get a kick out of. This house cost 19 grand and it came with an 1.5 acres. And this happens to be the area of town it's in. You know, it's just not as valuable. It was a repo. The people before had done drugs, and they had stripped all the wires out of the house. I mean, it was pretty bad. But I'm going to show you what it comes with. 50 by 60 barn. Now I know it ain't nothing to write home about. I mean, it's kind of ugly. But it's actually got an apartment in there, and you can fit, I fit farm equipment in there in the past, door on the back. It's rough mainly because I've kind of let the tenants use it, which is a big mistake. They're nice tenants. I've had them for over 20 years. I haven't done a lot to that building in the back. I was going to make it like my man cave, but I've got, each laundromat has a man cave. I got that man cave. I got the barn in my house. I mean, I'm starting to have so many places to hang out. I ain't got time in a day to hang out everywhere, so I haven't done nothing with that building. I need to fix the doors and kind of clean it up a little bit. But that's about it with it. I'm not going to get carried away because, like I said, I started letting the tenants use it, so it's not like I'm going to benefit any from it anymore. I don't charge them any more rent for it, which I probably should. I don't. So just wanted to show you that. Let's get started. That's what it looks like. Nice driveway. Needs a little more of the 1.5 inches. Maybe a couple more loads, like maybe 2 or 3. So about 3 more tons. It'll lock together pretty good. Come back in spring and add some more once it thaws out more. Well, that was a fun time. Fit like a champ. Homeowners, if you buy a house and you have toys like this, if you just put in an 8-foot overhead door, you'll be able to fit them in your garage. I guess most people probably don't want to do that, but people like me would. I don't know why they make 7-foot doors. I have a feeling in the future, as pickup trucks and SUVs keep getting bigger, 7-foot garage doors go by the wayside. Because you just can't fit nothing in them. So, there we go, we got her in here. We got plenty of room to spare. And we still got room. I could probably park it over to that corner eventually. Or I could park it up here closer and still fit the trailer in if I had to. Well, let's shut this door and go see about some change for the laundromat. Now I know I was going to do a change out video, or try to, but I got so many customers in there I can't even do that. Customers get really weirded out by the camera. Maybe I'll have to go back to using the GoPro on my chest and see how that works. That's all the time we got today, folks. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate all subscribers. I appreciate you watching. Hope you got something out of it. I have fun making them, so until next time, catch you later. Be safe, take it easy.